Hello house, I welcome you to today's section of our training. Today we are going to look at how to design a logo for a brand. A simple logo that a beginner need to explore. So let's quickly launch our Pencil app and go by it. So with this we are going to use letter AB to design the logo. So first of all that you need is to tap on the defaults, then you go to where the A section is. After that you delete it. So with this, let's quickly change the background of our projects. So we'll just go here, go down here, just this, see where the pink thing indicated below there, that we can choose our background. So we are going to select a color as our background, or let me choose even the PNG form rather. Yes, let me choose a color for it. Let me choose a color. Let's use this green as our background. As our background. So with this, we just select where the A is and tap in whatever we want to put our color. Yes. Just select the A and text so that we just put in what you want to put across. So we just type the letter A and B, AB. Okay. So right from here we will scroll to the size and make it big as the last part. And also from here we just go to fonts and select a font that might suit our work. Font rather. So we are going to make use of a font known as Chunk 5. This is a default font on the app already. So you just select on Chunk 5 and you click on OK. So with this, you can use this section to increase your work or make it a bit big. So right from here, I'll just come here to position my work. Let's go to A rather. Then we use the relative position. Then we use the two middle. So with this, we are good to go. Let's choose a color for it. Color black. Black, sure, I think this is cool. So all that we need to do is to make a duplicate of this by copy. So after copy, you just come here. So we are going to lock, this is the copy project. The second one is the copy project. So we are going to lock it with this and also hide it with the next section. So I have locked it and I've hide it. So now the first one is on this. So all that you need to do is to click on this and click here to go back. So with this, we just need to tap any space below and come to the middle section here to select our shape. So we go on shape, then we just take this shape. So we are going to make the shape big. Sure. So right from here, just go to rotate it. We are rotating it to fix it. So what that we may do is to just play around this section. Okay, I think this is cool for us to go. So all that I'll need is to merge these two colors by going here Then I select this section down below. Just note that the one that we hide it is the one in the middle. So all that you need to do is to tap the first and the third one. After that, then you click on merge, this very icon, merge. Okay, so that means we are putting them together, so they are one in all. So all that we may do next is to click this button again and select the one that we hide. With this, we need to unhide it, so we'll just tap on the eye icon over there so that it will just come. And before that, let's also hide the one that we are done with it already. Lock it and hide it. So now we have our AB here. So all that we may need to do is to just position it and go to where we can find our shape. So we are going to do same as we did for the first one, but with this, the first one we just brought it below, but this one we are going to make it upwards. So we just go to rotate. Sure. Because the first one, I think it just ended below here. So this is cool. After that, we just click on the max sign. Then we just select this very icon again and merge them also. So now we have made both of them. So before that, or before you proceed, we are going to select a texture for it. Texture. So you just select your texture from here. After that, you select or you click on where the image icon is. So it will take you to your gallery for you to select your preferred texture. So with this, I have a specific texture that we are going to use. And we are going to use this very texture. So I just select it and crop it. Okay, I'll just click on my max sign. So this is how it's going to be. So since we have locked the other one, we are just going to insert a shape as we did initially. So we are going to rotate it to fit our work. Just make good use of our position. Okay, I think this is cool. So we are going to merge it again by going to the same very icon here. You see that we have locked the other one. We are not using the locked one. So that will be the first and second that we are going to merge them this time round. Okay. So now that you have made that one, you just need to go to erase color. So this is your erase color. Then I click on it and enable it. See that the other section is good. So this is what we have now. So after this, you just click on your max sign. Then you just click on this very icon again. So now we need to lock this one and hide it and select the other one. So we are going to select texture for that one too. Texture, the image icon. Then we go in and select the texture that we prefer to use. So this time around, I'm just using the same texture but the other side of it, the yellow aspects. So okay, so I just click on my mark sign. Do you know the reason why the thing did not appear? We have hide it, so we need to go and unhide it. So we just click on this section again and then just unhide it. So we have it here. So all that we need to do is to tap any place or any space below or above and go to our shapes. So we are going to make another shape. After that, we rotate it. So all that you need is to play around this area so that you get a clear view of what you are doing. Okay, I think this is cool. So I'll just click on my mark sign here. After that, I need to go and merge them two. So now we are going to use the first and the last section. First and last. Then we click on our merge icon. Okay. So we have also made that one. So all that we need to do is to just click here and go to our erase color as usual to take off enable. So you see how the magic is. So with this, all that we need to do is to unhide all the work that we have hidden it. So basically this is what we have. Yeah, this is what we have. So we are going to put them together. You can use the position button. I normally use my hand so that it will be in a hurry for me. So with this, I need to rotate it a bit so that it will match or fit into the work. I think the 2 is okay, or 1. So that I'll position it also a bit. I think with the rotate, the 0 is okay, or the -2 is okay. So we have it like this. What else do we need again? All that we need to do is to merge these 2 layers together. So we select all and click on our merge section. Okay. So this is our work. They are now together. So we can choose to reduce the size. Sure. Can choose to reduce the size. Afterwards, we select our shape. This time around, we are going to choose circle. Let's choose color. Okay, I think the white is okay. So with this, we just click on to back so that the white will go back. So now we have our work like this. So we can choose any color. Yeah, we can choose any color, but this won't match, so we can choose black instead. I say black too is cool, you know, the black is cool. So with this we can add our name, our name to it. So let's merge also the circle and the AB together. So now we can choose to increase it or decrease it. With this very icon, you tap here, you can choose to increase or decrease it. So now let's position it. Now we can write a name for it, assuming the name of the company is Able. Yeah, Able Base. So this time around we just click on where we can get our text, A text, then we just edit it and write the name, Able Based Designs, or designs. So this time around we can choose it to make it bold, italic, underline. Then we can cross everything to end it. So we just choose the bold instead and find a color for it. Let me use those colors that we are familiar with the designs. We can choose the yellow instead. Yes. So now we can change the background to white and save our work nicely by selecting here. So with this, you can choose to save it as a project or gallery. So for a project, you just need to type the name, maybe ABD, Able Designs, Able Based Designs. Then we can also save it directly to as an image, default to Ultra, then save to gallery. And we can also save it in a PNG form, should in case we are going to use it on our various graphic work. Since it's a logo, there will be a need to save it in a PNG form. So with that, the background that we have selected over here, that we have selected down here, where the pink indicator is. So by clicking there, this time you won't select color, but you go to transparent. So transparent, then you can save your work. So let's go to gallery and see how our work is. So the one that we save with a PNG, this is how it will be. Just because we choose black as our background initially, and we have changed it. So let's see the other one too. So this brought us to the end of today's tutorials. Just watch and keep practicing. I wish you all the best and the success on this journey that you have embarked. Stay blessed.